Sir, you are not audible.
So in this question, R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R into R1 plus R2 plus R3 is given to us, and we have to prove this. So what is R? R is nothing but delta by S, and R1 is nothing but delta by S minus A. R2 is nothing but delta by S minus B, and R3 is nothing but delta by S minus C. Take delta as common, then delta into delta, delta square by S into 1 by S minus A plus 1 by S minus B into 1 by S minus C. Now multiply these two to this side, these two to this side, and these two to this side. Okay. After doing that, you will get this. Okay. Now S into delta, sorry, S into S minus A into S minus B is nothing but delta square. Okay. You are using this formula. S into S minus A plus S minus B into S minus C is nothing but delta square over here. So this will become delta square. This delta square and delta square gets cancelled out. Then open the brackets. After opening the brackets, we will get S square minus BS minus SC. Okay. From that, you can take 2S as common from A plus B plus C. After taking common, A plus B plus C is nothing but 2S. A plus B plus C is nothing but 2S. 2 to the 4 and S into S square. 3S square minus S square is nothing but minus S square. Plus AB plus BC plus C. So we got the final answer. Okay. This is the final answer. 2S is nothing but A plus B plus C. Next question. Show that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 by 1 plus R by 2. So cos A plus cos B can be written as 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Okay. After applying this formula on cos A plus cos B, what are we doing? A plus B can be written as A plus B is equal to 180 minus C. A minus B will be A minus B. Then cos 180 by 2 minus C by 2 is nothing but sine C by 2. Cos A minus B by 2 plus cos C. Okay. Now cos C can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square C by 2. Okay, this is the formula we have learned in trigonometric transformations. After doing that, we are taking sine C by 2, sine C by 2, 2 sine C by 2, 2 sine C by 2 common from both the sides. After taking 2 sine C by 2 common, what are we doing? We are writing what is left. Cos A minus B by 2 minus sine C by 2 is left. Okay. Then C is nothing but 180 minus A plus B. C is nothing but 180 minus A plus B. Okay, because A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Then C will be equal to 180 minus A plus B. Okay. Then what is sine 90 minus theta? Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos A minus B by 2 minus cos A plus B by 2. Okay. Then you can apply this formula. Cos A minus B minus cos A plus B is nothing but 2 sine A by A sine B. Okay. Then 2 sine A by 2, 2 sine B by 2 we will get. 2 to the 4. So 1 plus 4 sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2. Now what we are doing is we are multiplying and dividing with R, capital R. If you multiply and divide, this numerator will become small r. Okay? If you multiply and divide with R, this numerator will become small r. So you'll get the final answer as 1 plus R small r by capital R. Okay? With this, we have finished all the SCQs. Okay? Now, we are starting with LAQs. Now, the first question is A is equal to this, B equal to this, and C is equal to this. 13, 14, and 15. Then we have to find capital R, small r, R1, R2, and R. Okay? A, B, and C is given to us. All right, then what is the first of all, what we have to do? We have to find S. S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. Okay, A plus B plus C. What is A? The value of A is 13, B is 14, and C is 15. Okay, 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2 is nothing but 42 by 2. That will be 21. So we now found the value of A. S. After finding the value of S, find the value of delta. Do you remember this formula? This is nothing but Heron's formula that we have learned long back ago. Delta is equal to root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. And this formula we have also learned in Heron's formula. Remember Hero's formula or Heron's formula? Okay. Using this delta formula, we found the value of delta. That is your area. Area of triangle is 84. Then what is R1? R1 is delta by S. Delta by S. What is delta? 84 by S is 21. R1 is delta by S minus A. R2 is delta by S minus B, and R3 is delta by S minus C. Substitute all the values of delta, S, and A. Okay, we found the value of S, we found the value of delta, and we know the value of A, B, and C. After that, simplify, and you will get simplify this, and you will get the final answer. That's 21 by 2, 12 by 2, and 4 by 2. Then we have to find R. What is the formula for R? A into B into C by 4 delta. So A into B by 4 delta. Okay. In this question, they gave you R1, R2, and R3, and R, and they are asked to find A, B, and C. Okay. So what we have to do? First of all, find delta square. Delta square is nothing but R1 into R into R1 plus R into R2 plus R into R3. R into R1 into R2 into R3. Okay, after finding delta square, find delta. Delta is 6. Then use the formula R is equal to delta by S. Okay, we know the value of R and we know the value of delta. Using S is equal to delta by R, we found the value of S. S is nothing but 6. R1 is nothing but delta by S minus A. Delta is 6, S is 6, and A we don't know. Solve this equation, we'll get the value of A. A is 3. Then R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. Solve this equation and we'll get the value of B as 4. And R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. Substitute the value, solve the equation, and we'll get the value as 5. Okay, 3, 4, and 5. We got the answer. All right. Next, I'll let you show that in triangle ABC, 1 by R square plus 1 by R1 square plus 1 by R2 square plus 1 by R3 square is equal to A square plus B square by delta square. Okay. Just substitute the formulas. What are the formulas? R is equal to delta by S. Substitute that formula. R1 is equal to delta by S minus A. R2 is equal to delta by S minus B. And R3 is equal to delta by S minus C. Take delta as common, delta square as common. Then open the bracket, simplify. Okay, a plus b plus c is nothing but 2s. And a square plus b square plus c square will remain same. 4s square minus 4s square will be 0. So this part will be 0. So this whole part will be 0 because 4s square minus 4s square is 0. Okay. Then delta by a square plus b square plus c square by delta square is your final answer. Next one. If R1 and R2 or R3 given to you, find A, B, and C. Simple. We know the value of R. We know the value of R1, R2, and R3. In the previous question, we knew the value of R, but here we don't know the value of R. So what is R is equal to? 1 by R is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Substitute and you will get the answer as R is equal to 4. Then substitute in the formulas. A is equal to S minus delta by R1, B is equal to S minus delta by R2, and C is equal to S minus delta by R3. And what is delta formula? Delta is equal to root of R1 plus R1 into R2 into R3. So delta is equal to 36. S is equal to delta by R, that is 96 by 4, that will be 24. And delta is 94 and S is equal to delta by R, that is 96 by 4. Okay. Okay, we know the value of S now. Substitute this in this equation. A is equal to 24 minus 96 by 8. We'll get the value of A. Then S into B is equal to S minus delta by R2, that is B, and C is equal to S minus delta by R3, that is C. Show, okay. Show that cos square A by 2 plus cos square C by B by 2 plus cos square C by 2 is equal to 2 plus R by 2R. Okay, this question is a bit tricky, but it's not impossible. Okay, so cos square A by 2 is nothing but 1 plus cos A by 2. This question is from trigonometric ratios or trigonometric transformations. Okay, 1 plus cos A by 2. This formula we are applying, then we are taking common. What can we take as common? 1 by 2 we are taking as common. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will be 3 by 2. Okay. Then what is left? Cos A by 2 plus cos B by 2 plus cos C by 2. From that we are taking 1 by 2 as common. So 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into cos A plus cos B plus cos C. But we already know a trigonometric transformation that cos A plus cos B plus cos C is equal to 1 plus 4 sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2. Okay, sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C. Substitute it directly and open the bracket. Open the bracket. 1 into half into 1 half, half into 4, that will be 4 by 2 into sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2. Simplify this. 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that will be 2. Okay, then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Take, then multiply and divide by R, multiply and divide by 2R. Then 4R sine A by 2 sine B by 2 sine C by 2. 4R sine A by 2 sine C by 2 will become small r. 4R sine A by 2 sine B by 2 and so sine C by 2 will become r small r. Okay, 2 plus r by 2r is the final answer. And now for the last question, and this is one of the most important question and most easy question. Okay, this is an important question. You must learn this question. If P1, P2 and P3 are latitudes drawn from vertices A, B and C, to prove to the opposite sides of the triangle respectively, then show that 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 is equal to 1 by R is your first part. And second part is P1, P2, P3 is equal to A plus ABC whole square by 8R cube, which is also equal to 8R cube by ABC. Okay. Now, delta is equal to 1 by 2 AP1. Okay, delta is equal to 1 by 2 AP1. This is P1, this is P2, this is P3. Okay. P1 is equal to 2 delta by A, P2 is equal to 2 delta by B, and P3 is equal to 2 delta by C. Instead of P1, P2, and P3, just substitute these values. After substituting, simplify them, take 2 as this denominator is same, so numerator can be added. Then A plus B plus C is nothing but 2s. 2 and 2 gets cancelled and delta by S is remaining. S by delta. R is equal to delta by S. Okay, then it will become 1 by R. So this first part has been solved. The only thing you have to remember is these formulas and substitutions. Okay, next part. We have to prove this one. Over here, P1 into P2 into P3 is equal to 2 delta by A into 2 delta by B into 2 delta by C. Multiply them, you'll get 8 delta cube by ABC. All right. Then delta is equal to ABC by 4R. Delta is equal to ABC by 4R. Okay. From here, what can we do? This from ABC whole cube, 1 cube and this ABC can get cancelled and ABC square by 8R cube will be the answer. Okay. Because delta is equal to ABC by 4R. We are substituting the value of delta. We are cancelling one ABC and one ABC. So ABC square by 8R is your final answer. Okay.